So today we are going to learn how to draft a notched collar with a shirt. So basically it's mainly focusing on the collar. So this is my basic bodice pattern for the back that I'm showing you. Sorry for the mistake on the neckline. I was trying to readjust it for the back, and so that is why you see me showing you up there. That is the correct neckline for the back. Now, once I'm done with that, I dive right into the front. But now for the front, I have to create a space just like we would typically do for our zipper allowance. But this is for our, I would say button space to button up our shirt and to get our collar. So once we've achieved that, then we go in with our typical basic bodice pattern again, getting our shoulder to our bust line, waistline, and hip line. You know how it is. And for those who do not understand the basics, I have a video up on my channel and you can go back to it to understand all what I'm doing here. So just follow through as I will be connecting the lines on my waistline full length of the top and the bust line and chest line. I'm connecting my armhole now from my bust measurement, which happens to be on my chest line. You know, we'll place bust measurements plus your sewing allowance on your chest line, and then you connect it to your shoulder, creating your armhole, and then you will get your waist measurements. You would also get your full length measurements, where you want it to be and how wide you want it to be based on the style you're going for. Like I stated earlier, if you're going for a boxy shirt, you would add extra allowances on the chest line, which is including your bust measurements divided by 4, and you will just draw a straight line. But if you are going for a more fitted style, you would replicate your basic bodice pattern, which has your bust, waist, and your full length measurement. It can be on your hip, it can be inches above your hip, based on what you want. Then I'm going ahead to make buttonholes on that side to give us a clear depiction of what I was saying earlier. That's where your button area would be. And then I'm drawing out a straight line in that corner from our chest line. This is where we'll be able to have our notched collar. So because I'm not going with the standard adult body size for the measurements, so I will just use this as a clear guideline for us to have an idea of how to draft this. So what I do is from that edge where I drew out the line on the chest line, I would make a line and connect it to our neckline as I'm drawing here. And so this way we get a clear picture. That way, I would now take out my neckline and draw it out back. The way I connected the line from my chest line to that zip area, I would also connect my neckline to that button area rather. And so that part we have there now is going to be our notched collar that would fold outward. Do we understand what I'm saying? And then I'm placing a paper under that because to get our collar for the round neck, we would need to take measurements of the back collar that we took initially. So the back collar that we took in the back neckline that we had initially, we would need to measure around it. So the upper one I used for the back neckline, we would need a measurement. We'll put our tape rule there to get a measurement. So because we are cutting on fold, that is enough. So by the time we cut it out on our material, we would have double the size, which would go around our full neck. Since our measurement that we're drafting on this paper is half measurement, by the time we cut on fold on our material, we would have double. So I take out the measurement I got from the back line and place it ahead like I'm doing now. So if I go 4 inches, I'll place it 4 inches above the neckline and I'll slant it outwards. And so once I do that, I will then now place about 3 to 3.5 inches for the width of the collar. So I can go out from about 3 inches or 3.5 inches for the neck of my collar. And then what I do is that neckline that we drew outward to the button line, I go up about 0.5 inches. And once I go out about 0.5 inches, I would then now make a curve, right, which is imitating the former neckline. I'll make a curve to the collar we drew out on top, and that is how we have our collar unfold with the notched collar. Hope I've been able to give you a clear idea on how to get this, and I really hope you understand with the guidelines that I have used. Thanks for watching, and thanks for staying this long. I really appreciate it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.